Hello guys, good afternoon. Mag-exercise tayo. Push. Tayo ng push up, pulls, and then squats for our legs. Okay? Subukan natin 5 each. 5 each. Tapos yung sets is hanggang sa makaya lang. Okay? Let's go. Each set, mag-ano tayo ng warm up. Ay, hindi pala warm up. Mag-ano tayo. Anong tawag dito? Active rest. What do you mean by active rest? Mag-jump lang tayo. Yan. To loosen up. Okay? Let's count. Active rest tayo before we start. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Unahin natin ang push-up. 6 push-ups. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then rest. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then squat. Ready and go. 1, leg raise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Active rest. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, instead na pull-ups tayo, variation to. Pampalakas to, pampaganda nito ng ating laterals. Okay? Gamit tayo ng parallettes. Then we pull up. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Active rest ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, naka 1 set na tayo. Again, you do the push up around 8 or 9. Then squat with leg raise. Tapos modified pull-ups. Okay? In between, karon tayo ng active rest by skipping. Okay? Round 2. Push up. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Squats with leg raise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Active rest. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull-ups. Modified pull-ups though. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. That's the end of round 2. Active rest again. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't forget to inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay. Again, it's not a race, it's exercise. Go. Push up. Ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Active rest. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, exhale. Squats with leg raises. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Active rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do the pull-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Sarap. Tip pala guys, when you're holding onto the bar, diba nag-grip kayo ganyan, don't forget itong dalawang fingers na to. Okay? It will greatly help your gripping power. Pag nag-grip kayo, i-squeeze nyo rin yan. Especially with pull-ups. Malaki ang tulong nitong dalawa sa strength. Huwag lang kayong umasa sa itong tatlo. Gamitin nyo rin itong dalawa sa dulo. When you grip, yan. Make sure ito nararamdaman nyo nagpe-press sa bar when you do pull-ups. Okay? Active rest. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake. Shake it. Shake it off. Inhale. Exhale. Okay? Round 4. Push-ups. Ready. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Active rest. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Magandang hapon sa ating meron tayong 2 million viewers. Yan, nabalik na. Yan, nandiyan pa ba ating 10 million viewers? Yan, magandang hapon sir. Let's go, exercise tayo. Let's do this. Squat with leg raises again. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Make sure guys, when you exercise, huwag kayo magmadali. Take your time. Again, hindi tayo nakikipagkarera. This is not a race. It's an exercise. Okay? Pull-ups. Okay, remember engage yung pinky finger tsaka yung ring finger. Grip niyan. Kasama yan sa gripping. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold and whoo! Sarap. Active rest. Rest tayo. Come on. As much as possible, recover bago pumunta sa next na set. Okay guys? Inhale. Exhale. Tapos shake para malusen ang ating mga tighten muscles. Shake. Come on. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Round 5. Round 5 na tayo guys. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan tayo. Ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Active rest. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay? Importante guys na mag-recover tayo. Recover para maganda yung ating performance. Yan. Ready? My squats. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake it off. Recover. Inhale. Exhale. Don't forget to breathe, guys. Mahirap yan. Pag nakalimutan natin huminga, dead tayo dyan. Inhale, exhale. Tingnan natin viewers. Meron na tayong 2 million viewers. Hello guys. Magandang hapon. Exercise tayo. Let's exercise. Okay. Going to pull-ups na tayo. Again guys when you do pulling motions, make sure na grip with all of your fingers. Nararamdaman niyo yung pinky nyo. And dalawa, yung pinky and ring finger. Very important yan guys. Okay? Again. So try natin at the end of the set, mag-hold tayo ng position. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoo. Okay. Rest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Shake. Shake. Okay. Going round 6. Round 6 tayo. Round 6, tingnan natin. Go. Hanggang sa tayo. Ilan naman ang viewers natin? Oh, grabe. 10 million. 10 million viewers. Magandang hapon. Let's exercise. Ready? Push up. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 1. Rest. Recover. Inhale. Exhale. Squats. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Hindi natin kailangan ng malaking area to exercise. Tapos, parang na rin tayo dito nagka-cardio training. Tumataas na rin yung heart rate natin. Hindi natin kailangan tumakbo ng malayo. I'm not saying it's bad na tumakbo. Kung trip nyo mag-run, bahala kayo. Okay? So ito, napakita ko lang sa inyo na may alternative option. Kahit small space lang, minimal na gamit, we can exercise. Okay? Pull-ups. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Oh, kamusta kayo guys? Ano nang exercise ginawa niyo? 1, exercise tayo para enjoy natin ang life. Okay? Para hindi ko naman sinasabing pag nag-exercise hindi na magkakasakit. Pero at least mas malayo-layo tayo. Okay? Ang sakit nandiyan lang yan. Pero pag hindi tayo nag-exercise, mas malapit tayo. Mas lumalapit tayo sa sakit. Okay? Galaw-galaw. Every day, we move our body. Shake, shake. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Kung wala pang pambayad sa jeep, ito lang bahala. Push up, push up. Jump, jump. Squat, squat. Try mag-pull ng kahit ano. Kahit ganito lang. Oh, magaan lang ito na dumbbell. So, pull nyo lang yan. Punta sa side. Pwedeng pabuka. Pwede pa ganyan. Oh. Back exercise na yan. Kasama ang deltoids. Pwedeng pa ganito. Pwedeng pa ganyan. So, bahala na kayo. Basta importante, you move your body. Okay? Ang set na nga ba? 7. 7 set, guys. 7. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yan. Nasa sa inyo na yun. If you want to add or less, slower, ang importante, you move. Okay? Hanggang sa makaya lang. Huwag pilitin. Don't force yourself too much. Basta ang importante, we move our body. Move mo. Pwedeng mag-twist. Pwedeng ganyan lang. Small hops. Just to be active while resting. Magulo, no? Active ka, pero nagre-rest ka din. Okay? Active rest. Opposite siya. While resting, you are also being active. Okay? Go to squats. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Exhale. And guys, tumataas na yung heart rate natin. Naririnig na natin, oh. Tugug. Inhale. Exhale. Important, guys, ha? Recover. Para when you perform the exercise, maganda. Inyong form, inyong breathing, well rested kayo. So, ma-perform niyo exercise properly. Okay? Natin. Yun. Guys, exercise tayo. Let's do this. Hoop. Ready. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay guys, siguro hanggang 7 sets lang muna ako ngayon. Thank you guys for watching. And always remember, let's do this.